Welcome to Computer Guru's channel. Today, he will show you the top 5 free antiviruses in the world. Now, we will just move on to the first top antivirus, the best one ever, and it's none other than AVG Antivirus Free 2015. It is the best because according to my personal uses and personal experiences, I can say that I've never been ever got any problems while using it. My system was every time virus free and protected, and all the other things didn't interfere like the hackers or any other sort of malicious objects didn't ever created a problem. Now moving on to the second one is 360 Total Security. The 360 Total Security is offering two virus engines that are Avira and Bitdefender. It is also having a cloud-based program that is their own cloud security center. The cloud works in a totally different way. The virus files are sent to their database through the internet, and the files are scanned onto their cloud network. And after they check their files, they send the report to the antivirus software, and if the file is clean, so then the file is being ignored, and if the file is having some malicious instincts, then the file is blocked or deleted. This is how their cloud works. They are having the best data definition, virus definitions, that is of Avira and Bitdefender, so you can guarantee a seriously virus free PC. And it is very fast. It keeps your system very fast because it doesn't eat up a lot of resources of your RAM. So it is the top second free antivirus. Let's move on to the third one. Third one is none other than the AVG. The AVG free antivirus have always been a quick tool, but it is not offering any firewall, anti-spam, or any hijack protection or any such security. It is just offering the basic antivirus and their network security. But somehow their network security is not as good as they are offering, but it is good. That is why it is on the third top free antivirus according to me. Now let's move on to the fourth one, that is Avira. It is having the best virus definitions, but it is quite a pain when it comes down to the false positives that it offers. The false positives are always creating problems for people. That is, false positive, I must explain that the false positives are those files that are not actually virus but are objected as a virus by their antivirus softwares. So that's where Avira falls, according to me. It is having the largest number of false positives according to me, my experience and all other tests of the world. It is offering a great virus definitions, that is why it offers great detection ratio, but it is lacking only in that false positives part. Now let's move on to the last but not the least, Microsoft Security Essentials. It is a totally Windows based antivirus. Windows 8 and 8.1 already have it pre-installed, and it supports Windows 7 and Vista only. That's where the problems happen, because it is not for anything else than the Windows. Now, as we can see, this is a type of antivirus that is usually having a stable detection ratio, a kind of normal one. Nothing is much high or much less. But one thing is very clear that it doesn't have even a single false positives according to my tests that I've conducted. According to me, this is a better antivirus as compared to all other antiviruses because mostly all other antiviruses are having some one, two, or more than that type of false positives because Microsoft Security Essentials don't have any single false positives according to my test. I personally am using Microsoft Security Essentials because of the same issue. So that's all about the top 5 antiviruses free available in the world. That's it guys. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe onto the video. Thanks. Computer Guru signing off.